Hey, what's up? Just got back from a shoot and I posted a couple of things about this new Inspire 2 case that I got by HPRC, and been getting a couple of DMs asking me about if this case is actually really good. Can you fit everything in there? Is it strong? Is it safe? Blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to do a really quick first impressions of what I think this case is all about and how good it actually is. I've only used it once, which was today. I still need to test it in the outback and on harsher conditions, but so far it's pretty good. It's actually really good. Let me show you real quick. I might actually do a YouTube video on this a bit later, but it pretty much keeps everything that you need for your Inspire 2 setup. So I'm talking 2 controllers. You've got your standard controller on this side. On the other side, the cutout is a little bit weird, but it will fit your Cendence remote. I don't have a Ssds. I've got 2 standard controllers, so the only way that I could fit it in is by putting it like upright like that, which is kind of weird. Doesn't really matter because it pushes up against this when you close it down. But yeah, that's the only real issue with the case so far that I've got. You can take 3 sets of batteries, one on the actual aircraft, one on the left here, and one on the right up towards here. You've got 4 slots for your SSDs, which are pretty sweet. You can shoot those in here like so. What else can I tell you? I've got my Crystal Sky in this pocket here, and also the iPad. So that slots in right next to each other like that, which is super handy because I use the Crystal Sky for the pilot, and the camera op, they use the iPad. Then, this is really cool, check this out. So on this side, you've got 3 layers, and each layer can hold a whole bunch of shit. So the top layer, you've got your rotors, obviously. You got your charging hub, charger bits and pieces. You got little slots here for filters, cables, and so on. But check this out. You can lift it up, and then that gets you into the second layer. And the second layer has a compartment here for your camera, X5S or X7, I believe. You got your 3 lenses here, which will fit your X7 lenses, or in my case, we've got an X5S camera, and they fit those 3 lenses in perfectly. So the 12mm, the 7mm Laowa, and then the 45mm Olympus. Another section here, and this is where we put our batteries and so on for the Crystal Sky. And then, lift this bad boy up again, and there's another compartment. It's so cool. Here, card reader for the SSD, various bits and bobs in this part, charger. Yeah, you've got pretty much another section here. And I reckon what you would do if you're on a job and you need to get interstate or overseas, and you might not even need this space here, you can, no you can't. You can't take this out, which is a bit of a bummer, because that foam piece is attached to the bigger piece here, which is a bit crap. But what I'd do is get rid of the stuff here, and this bit can go into your luggage, and you can fill this up with the other crap for, I don't know, like cables, maybe a smaller tripod, lenses and other bits and pieces for your other camera gear. So you can just use this space as a general, like, extra compartment, and it's really quite deep as well. So if I move this stuff aside, the case is pretty solid. It's IP67, so it's water resistant. You've got your standard clips on the side here like that. Massive handles on this side, that side, and then also at the rear here. So you can have, it can be a 2-man lift really easy with 2 people on the other side carrying it. And then wheels, of course. So yeah, it's really cool. Not bad. I might actually do a proper YouTube review on this and maybe compare it with the Pelican case. The other guys that make the, what's the other brand? HPRC or whatever that brand is, and maybe the standard case, because some guys, like I used to still use the standard case and put all the rest of the crap in another like hard case or a Pelican case or something like that. But yeah, it's all right. It's not bad. It's not bad. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.